What are the life processes? All living organisms have certain characteristics that set them apart from non-living things, and these characteristics are called life processes. There are six important life processes of living organisms. First one is metabolism. Metabolism is the sum of all the chemical processes that occur in the body. One phase of metabolism is called catabolism, and the other phase of metabolism is known as anabolism. Catabolism is the breakdown of complex chemical substances into smaller and simpler components, whereas anabolism is the building up of complex chemical substances from smaller and simpler components. Second important life process is responsiveness. It is the body's ability to detect and respond to changes in its internal, that is inside the body, or external, that is outside the body environment. Movement is another important life process. It includes motion of the whole body, individual organs, single cells, and even tiny organelles inside the cells. Growth is the fourth important life process. It is an increase in body size that results from an increase in the size of existing cells or an increase in the number of cells or both. Next important life process is differentiation. Differentiation is the process whereby unspecialized cells become specialized cells, and such precursor cells which can divide and give rise to cells that undergo differentiation are known as stem cells. The most important life process is reproduction. It refers to either the formation of new cells for growth, repair, or replacement, or the production of a new individual.